I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need server permissions and the bot's invite ready. Open your mobile browser and sign into Discord before proceeding. Once done, tap the bot's invite link and choose the server you control. Make sure you have manage server or admin permissions so the bot can join. Grant the listed permissions the bot requests. These let it create channels and manage messages for tickets. After tapping Authorize, confirm any 2FA prompt. This gets the bot into your server and prepares it for setup on mobile. Now assign roles and channel permissions so tickets stay private and manageable. On mobile, open server settings, right arrow roles, add a ticket role, then give it read/send permissions only in ticket channels. Next, move the bot's role above the ticket role in the hierarchy so it can assign and manage roles. Use drag on desktop-like mobile controls or the role order setting. Then create a category for tickets and set channel overrides. Deny it everyone and allow ticket role. Finish by configuring the bot's ticket trigger. Either send a setup command in chat or use the bot's mobile-friendly dashboard to place a ticket button or message. Test immediately. Tap the button to create a ticket, confirm the new channel appears, and that ticket role members can see it. If something goes wrong, recheck bot role order, OAuth scopes, bot applications, commands, and permission overrides, reauthorize the bot if needed. Finally, restart the bot or contact its support for persistent issues to resolve configuration bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.